In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and optimize your TikTok business account for success. Whether you're new to TikTok or transitioning from a personal account, this guide will walk you through each step to establish a professional presence on the platform. We'll start by getting the app if you haven't done so already. Head over to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, search for TikTok, and download the app to your device. Once the download is complete, open the app and you'll have the option to sign up. You can use your email, phone number, or log in with your social media account. If you're already on TikTok with a personal account, don't worry, you can easily switch to a business account later in the process. Now let's dive into setting up your profile. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. This is your gateway to personalizing and accessing your account settings. On the top right, you'll notice a three-line menu, which is often referred to as the hamburger menu. Give that a tap to open your settings and privacy options. Among the various options, look for Account and then select Switch to Business Account. This switch is crucial as it unlocks features designed specifically to help businesses grow and succeed on TikTok. Next, you'll need to choose a category that accurately represents your business. Whether you're in retail, services, or technology, picking the correct category helps TikTok tailor experiences and functions tailored for your industry. With the category selected, it's time to enhance your business profile further by completing your profile details. Include a business email and phone number, as well as any other relevant information you'd like potential customers to know. This step not only boosts your credibility, but also provides an easy way for viewers to contact you. While this next step is optional, it's highly recommended to register your business within TikTok. Doing so adds an additional layer of authenticity and can unlock further features designed to elevate your account's capabilities. This registration can lead to numerous benefits such as detailed performance analytics, access to advertising tools, clickable links in your bio, and even integration with TikTok Shop for e-commerce features. It also allows you access to a commercial music library, which is essential if you plan to use music for commercial purposes. Establishing your business account on TikTok is a strategic move that opens the door to more advanced features compared to a regular personal account. These include analytics for performance tracking, tools for advertising, and even e-commerce integrations to boost your online presence. Transform your TikTok profile into a powerful marketing tool and get started on your journey to connect with a vast audience and potential customers. So as you embark on this exciting journey, remember that a well-optimized business account is the foundation of a successful brand presence on TikTok.